Each IDEA database contains a log called the history. The history displays all of the tasks run on a file, starting with the import of the file. In the File Explorer, open the Payments with Authorization database. In the Properties window, click History. Here we can examine each section of the history log, expanding it for more detail. Let's expand the Join Databases node. Note that there were 185 records in the primary file, and there were 3 unmatched primary records corresponding to the anonymously authorized payments. Examine the IDEA script code section of the Join Databases task. This code can be used to create a macro to rerun this exact task. If you have experience in scripting, the IDEA script code found in the history is a great starting point for your scripts. To return to the database view, in the Properties window, click Data.